Here we are, another midterm freak out.
Let me tie my bow.
Okay. Tie your bow.
Uh-oh.
Here we go.
I did it wrong. Uh-oh.
Oh, Tari. Oh,
Get off the puffs.
the puff. There we go. Oh,
Get her now.
riding the tent. Oh,
And
back
to Dadware. It's hard to do in this tight confined space. I'm getting really good at it.
Hey.
You messed up the flow. I'm sick. I'm sick, and and she loves me, but she's mean. You have germs. Goodbye.
Oh, God.
Door slam.
Oh, snap.
Oh, I know.
Oh, I know.
Can I borrow some Badger's milk?
I'm gonna need the large.
I would like a grande Badger milk latte. No whip. There's no whip on that. There's no alcohol. There's no alcohol.
That means the hair does not get dry.
Yes. There's no alcohol. There's no alcohol. I'm gonna borrow a squirt of lotion,
Okay, I have a pump.
and then I'm gonna disinfect it.
Oh, good. That's very important. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What? What of this? What's that song? The point
So then what
of
does this
this
say?
That's the biggest circle
Sad
of the
song.
nesting lot.
Last Japanese
scientist explains place. Oh, God. We've lost her again. There she goes.